Okay, so we found a glitch in teamwork puzzles. No, teamwork. Whatever. Yeah,
Teamwork puzzles X. We
yeah, and well, basically,
found a glitch,
like
so
so if you
you
go
can
to a
actually
low,
not only speed run it, but you can do it with only one. So what?
look,
So
go
it
to a
doesn't
low.
work every
Number
time,
one,
but
wait, don't show them yet. So number one, go to a low platform. So this would be an example. Now crouch by pressing C.
yeah, and be what?
And then sometimes you could go in the water and be a
Look,
boat.
and look at me right now. Look at
Yeah,
what
you can
I'm
be a
doing,
boat
guys.
sometimes.
Hi.
Sometimes it takes try. Yeah, look, it works for me now.
And just follow me, guys. Now follow where I'm going.
And then you can just skip
Then
this
he'll show you.
entire part.
Now he's gonna tell you how to do it PC. I'll tell you how to do it mobile. So for me, what you have to do is you have to press the jump button and then immediately click the stand button
Oh,
right
sorry,
here.
I messed up.
And he messed up miserably, and I actually succeeded. So I'm just gonna wait for him to come. So,
Okay, so
and while we're at it, I'm just gonna explain.
so how is the reason? So you have to press C on your keyboard, like, and okay, so whenever you get over there, press C, jump, and then immediately press C, and then go forward, and then sometimes you can get on that platform. It's also the
Like I
weirdest
did.
way. I found this glitch in the weirdest way. So I was acting like a grandpa, like that I was going slow by just like crouching, and then I was like crying, so then I went off crouching, and then,
And then you just started doing that, and then I tried it. I now tried to be it, but
Oh darn it. Okay, I messed up. It's a little bit
yeah,
hard.
and
Sometimes you can't do it.
yeah. But also, you can do it with green too. You can also do it with green, but it's easier if you do it with white. And then you can basically just speed run it, which we're not doing, but you can indeed speed one.
You
And
can
then
just
right
become a
here, you just go
yacht.
boop, boop, boop.
If your biggest dream is to become a yacht, this is the game to play.
Yes, sir.
Have a yacht? No. Be a yacht? Yes.
Alright, then I'm gonna show you that you can actually beat the game. So come on here, boy.
Oh my god.
Come on here, Mason boy.
Maybe the grandpa thing. No. Well, okay, whenever I speed run getting up there at work. Very equivalent.
Alright. I wanna see this yacht coming. My screen. And I'm gonna actually turn my screen recorder on so you can actually see my screen. Oh, look at my screen. I'm looking at my screen. Let's see. Is this the kind of screen? Oh. I want to see you coming. I want to see you coming, boy. Come to me. Where is he? Where are you? Oh. Wow.
Roblox. So whenever I want to climb, you don't let me. But whenever I don't want to climb, you don't let me.
Yes.
So thank you,
Yes.
So Roblox, thank you for the worst year of my life. I'm just joking. That was 2020.
Hey, press this thing. I might if I just die here.
Yes.
And then look, we beat the game.
Look, this works for any low platform level. This is a low platform level. This one.
You know what you can actually do? You should go and we should do it on what is it called again?
Now colors.
Tower. No colors.
Now
Don't work on colors. Here, I'm gonna be pink.
I'll also be that. Now colors will definitely work because it has a low platform.
wait, we'll need someone orange. You need to be, we need someone to be orange,
No,
I think.
We don't.
Oh wait, no you don't. Cause you can just do the jump glitch. Normally you would need orange to jump on there, but like you just do the jump glitch, which I suck at. And that's why you cannot do this. I'm just gonna show you guys. You cannot do that. That doesn't work. You have to like walk onto it. And I just died for some strange reason.
Also,
and do like that.
Devs, please don't ban us from this. We're trying to bring awareness to this glitch.
Yeah, right. We're just trying to use it to speedrun. Don't tell the developers that. No, come on, come back, please. I want to beat it too.
Our best speedrun is way faster than this, so also we're not using this to speedrun anything.
Yeah, right. Okay,
we're just bringing awareness to the glitch.
No, we're just using it for fun and entertainment.
Yeah, and we're
the devs will probably ban us, but we don't care.
We aren't abusing this at all.
Totally, yeah, but we're not trying to be grandpas that became a boat. It ain't working for me. Yo! Yeah! Here, I'm gonna beat this thing. Wait for me.
Oh! You're pushing me! You're pushing me! We need to go speedrun because you're pushing me.
Yeah, and you beat it. Easy. Now what other can we...
So any low... Okay, this one is definitely not low platform. Tower has no low platform. So basically any single one low platform will work. So
yeah.
That's like...
Normally color levels will work. Does split work? No. What about blind? Does blind work? I don't think so.
So it really only works on colors and precision. There might actually be other ones that works on. Like, there might be
let's check out these.
So let's see, conveyor. Conveyor does not have a low platform, so that would not work.
Decoy, what about decoy? I'll check decoy for you.
Okay,
nope.
Stack.
Yeah, we're gonna check every single one to see.
Stack does have a low platform, so you can be a boat.
Oh,
it won't really be that good. It's still gonna be 3-player, but you can make it 3-player.
Wait, no, I feel like you can actually. I'm gonna be blue and you can be pink. I want to see what you won't even know that actually. Wait, hold on. Oh, wait, hold on. We can just skip this entire first part.
Yeah, because we need a green.
Nah.
Yeah, well,
look, I'm just skipping.
Green. Oh my gosh, why does it take me so much attempts to even get on the water, and she does it like first attempt? It's really just luck, to be honest.
We need. I'm glad you're blue because we'll need blue. We don't need much green, I don't think. I don't hardly ever see a green.
Yeah, if you.
There's like hardly any green.
If you jump while you're in boat mode, then yeah, you're not gonna be in boat mode anymore. You're gonna be in sad boy mode. You just lost your $500 million boat.
Yeah, Badger, you lost your yacht. Now come on, you got this. Yeah! Now I need to jump on your head, okay? If you don't, we're not gonna talk about that, and I'll stay right there. Come on, big boy mode. Yes,
no,
I don't need you.
Need a green. We do kinda need a green.
Kinda, but I feel like you could glitch it.
Probably not.
No, I think you can. Yeah, I think you can actually glitch it. Yeah, I'm in my yacht. Yeah.
Yo, look at her yacht, bro. That must be really expensive. Bro, where'd you buy that yacht at?
I am the yacht.
Did you
What?
buy it from IKEA?
No, I bought it because I'm cool kid and you're poor.
Are you sure about that? I
I'm-
have a built-in yacht inside of my Morocco. My first
Our
side
parents
is-
protected
my
our
first side-
Gucci when we were born.
I have 3 sides. My real life side. I have 4 sides. My real life side, my Vatican side, my Roblox side, and my yacht side.
And stand right there, stand still, turn to me.
Out of here. No, I'm out of here. No, I'm not. No, I'm not allowing that.
I just did that just to trigger on Roblox mods.
Alright, slide. Let's see what slide. Slide has low platform. No way. I think we might just be able to beat this. Maybe.
Oh! And we still get that traditional color palette.
Oh no, it does require. Wait,
Yes.
hold up. Wait, we can just go around this.
Wait, you can?
No way, this is gonna work.
This is gonna work. No, tripping. Wait, you need 4 players there. Wait.
Developers, please
No!
fix this glitch. For your own good,
No!
please fix this glitch.
No!
For your own
Wait.
good, please fix this glitch. For your own good.
No! Wait! You're supposed to only need 4 players.
We did it!
I mean, you're supposed to need 4 players. You really only need 1 player.
in one. Alright, spinner. We haven't
But
touched
hey, how
spinner
much?
yet. No, spinner doesn't have low platform. Yeah,
It looks fun though.
Yeah, but it's 4 player.
Yeah, and we don't have any friends.
What does the shop have? You could buy trails. Purchase a random trail. I mean, what else is there to do with my money?
Gamble on useless things.
Yes. Okay, I'll equip my orange trail. That looks pretty cool. Oh, I really like that actually.
I need fire trail.
Oh, it's so funny.
What? I want a multicolored trail.
It's so funny. You could just imagine you're
Blue green, you already know.
and you already. Oh yeah, I think you might need to fix this, developers, because I feel like this isn't really a 4-player game though. You can either play it with 4 players, 3 players, 2 players, or 1 player. It's not just 4. Oh yeah, you have a game to fix, developers.
I got a little color tree. Yep, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye bye. Oh!
Bye. I might edit this video. I might not. So, developers.
You
if you're
probably
watching this-
won't.
Developers, if you're watching this, please patch this glitch. It is way too overpowered. Please patch it. This video.
No, it's cool. Then we can speedrun.
No, we're not gonna use it. We're just literally bringing awareness to the glitch.
Oh, I thought we were trying to tell the truth. Bye.
Tell the truth. Bye. Okay, after I'm done recording the first clip of us glitching the game, okay, I have a secret room, so if you want a free badge, just go behind the aquarium portal and...
Yep.
And some memes.
And I'm speedrunning this game.
And this nostalgic carpet that I'm pretty sure every single child had. I think I still have it, but it's in my closet.
Yes, sir. Totally not being cringe.
We're not really being cringe, we're just telling them about the secret. Yeah, I don't know why I'm recording this part. It has nothing to do with the sit glitch, the yacht glitch, but yeah.
We just want to say that, yeah. Bye.
Yeah, either way, no. This is the end of the video. I was just like pretending to be the thing that's in between the portal, and then I was like, wait, there's a secret room, and then I was like, oh, free badge. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm gonna do one last glitch just because y'all might want more, even though we're like 15 minutes into the video.
What glitch? I think we already showed this glitch.
Yeah, I know, we did, but let's just do it.
You can basically skip the entire level. Look at all this stuff that is useless when you can just do this.
Yeah,
So you just sail out to the water, and then you get right here, and you ready, and jump slide, and then you jump and stand, and you can basically just skip it in under 20 seconds.
Okay, well, developers, you're gonna have to fix this glitch. It's too overpowered. Okay, all right. We're just using this.
Yeah, you already said that.
We're just using this for entertainment purposes only.
I would also be speedrunning to show on them King of Chads how much they really suck.
No.
But yeah.
Bring awareness to the glitch and entertainment purposes only.
So we have no friends, so we kind of need this sometimes. We have no friends.
No, we have friends. We have friends. We have friends.
2 friends that don't even play Roblox. Like, we have no friends that like to play this kind of game, so it's just us 2. And then we found this glitch, and now, yes sir!
And now we're abusing it for entertainment purposes.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one